Wednesday, 12th of August 2026. The temperature in Lymm today is 31 degrees Celsius. I'm going to show you a handy tip for keeping cool in the warm weather. Ice from the freezer, cooling fan, homemade air conditioning unit.